October, Friday the 13th, 2006. Live from VTV headquarters at STHS. This is STHS Today!
Welcome to STHS Today. I'm Becca Kushner.
And I'm Darius Guerrero.
Seniors, if you are going to the college fair on Monday, you must turn in your excursion permit forms to the Career Center this morning. If we don't have enough slips turned in, we will cancel one of the buses. Also, if there is anyone who would like to do a community service, please see Ms. Nelson in the CCC.
VTV needs you. We understand that you get bored with boring PA announcements, so if you're interested in being an anchor, come to VTV E2 at 7:15 in the morning. You'll receive credits for the class, so come in if you're interested.
This evening, Harvey's is hosting the Celebration Gala, which will include a buffet dinner, dessert stations, and a live auction for the Bears.
Today in sports, the tennis individual tournaments continue today at Plumas Courts in Reno.
Tomorrow, the soccer teams will be playing against Douglas High, and the football teams will be playing against Carson High, at home with the JV playing at 10:45 and the varsity at 1:30.
Attention seniors, keep your eyes on the mailbox. The 2007 yearbook staff has sent important information home about senior portraits, senior quotes, and ads for grads. For more information, visit room B7.
The first stagecraft class will be Tuesday, October 17th, after school at 3 o'clock in the Little Theater.
There will be a meeting for anyone involved in the musical Crazy for You Monday right after school in the Little Theater. It will be a short meeting about the New York trip. If you can't make it, please see Niv.
If you have not picked up your ID card or makeup pictures, you can pick them up in the attendance office.
NJROTC will be celebrating the Navy's birthday today during both lunches.
Also, NJROTC's first athletic meet is scheduled for tomorrow morning, starting at 9 o'clock a.m. and ending at 11:30 with a barbecue lunch. All cadets are encouraged to participate.
Everyone is invited to the Patch, People Against Tolerating Crimes of Hate, meeting today at school. Today, Tahoe Youth and Family Services located at 1020 Fremont behind Baskin-Robbins. The meeting is from 6 to 7. There will be a free food, and this is a perfect opportunity for volunteer hours.
That's it for STHS Today.